Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode, we're going to assemble the 1989. I'm not sure if that's a correct thing because usually when they say that this is the model's name, sometimes they name the wrong one. So this is Batman's Batwing. Okay. So plates and the manual. So the plate is actually good. It's a nice plate and only few parts in this. So probably would took me around an hour to assemble this. Alright, let's get started. So I am down to my last assembly. I actually got some mistakes at the bottom part, which is this one here. As you can see, it's should be here, but it's actually okay of not having this because it's just in the bottom part. And this one turns out to be okay, and looks cool. So this is the 1989 version of Batman. It's Batman's what do you call that, ship. Okay, and just going to put the base for final. Finalizing this assembly. Alright, so I think we're done. So this is the forgot. Anyways, this is the Batman's plane. So this is the back, and this is the front. Looks cool though. So again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment or thumbs up or subscribe, and hope to see you in my next episodes. Have a great day.